Meeting new neighbor. Dialogue 1. Nice to meet you. I am Lisa, your new neighbor.
Nice to meet you too. I am David. Where are you from, Lisa?
I am from China.
China is a good place. How do you like America?
It's time for me to pick up my little girl. Thanks for your time. See you next time.
See you. If you have any difficulty, please don't hesitate to let me know.
Dialogue 2. Nice to meet you. I am your new neighbor.
Nice to meet you. Your face looks familiar to me. Let me see. Oh, you are Kate, the youngest daughter of Green.
Yes, I am. May I have your name?
My name is Jack Chen.
Oh, you are the best friend of my father?
Exactly.
I have heard a lot about you.
I hope it's not the bad things about me. How is your father?
He is so fine.
Send my best wishes to him.
Thank you very much.
I can't imagine meeting you here.
Me too.
So, how's the family?
Oh, you didn't know. My parents got divorced.
They got divorced?
Yeah, my dad's shacking up with a young woman. She's almost 20 years younger than him. She's just a little older than me.
Oh, that's terrible. I'm so sorry to hear this news.
I know, it's ugly. Chatting up others. Dialogue 1. Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, very good.
What's the weather like in London?
Just now, it's like in London, warm and sunny.
Does it usually rain a lot in London?
I suppose so. We get a lot of rain, but we also get good weather.
Beijing can be very hot in summer. I prefer autumn.
Yes, I like autumn and spring too. Jack, have you met Lisa?
No, I haven't.
Oh, then let me introduce you to her right now. Lisa, this is my friend Jack.
Nice to see you, Jack.
How do you do, Miss Lisa? Glad to meet you too.
I've spoken with you on the phone.
Yes, I remember.